Welcome to S Mobile. Today, we'll explore the Nokia G20 2025, a smartphone that takes Nokia's legacy of durability and smart technology into the future. In this video script, we'll break down the standout features that make this device a compelling choice for anyone looking for reliability and modern performance. Design and build. The Nokia G20 2025 comes with an updated design that combines sleek aesthetics with robust durability. Its minimalist approach is enhanced by a high-quality metal frame and eco-friendly materials. The new design focuses on ergonomic comfort while ensuring the phone feels solid in hand, making it an excellent blend of form and function. Display and performance. Equipped with a vibrant, edge-to-edge display, the G20 2025 offers an immersive viewing experience with vivid colors and impressive brightness levels for outdoor usage. Under the hood, it boasts a next-generation chipset that ensures smooth multitasking, quick app launches, and efficient power consumption. With optimized software updates, this model is designed to keep pace with both work and play. Camera and battery. The camera setup on the Nokia G20 2025 is built to capture life in high resolution, featuring advanced sensors that deliver detailed photos even in low-light situations. Coupled with intelligent imaging software, it supports various photography modes for creative flexibility. The long-lasting battery is optimized for all-day use, with rapid charging capabilities that ensure you spend less time tethered to an outlet and more time on the go. Conclusion. In summary, the Nokia G20 2025 is a testament to Nokia's commitment to merging classic durability with contemporary innovation. Whether you're drawn by its sustainable design, vibrant display, robust performance, or advanced camera features, this smartphone is poised to be a standout in the competitive mobile market. Thank you for watching this review from S Mobile, where we bring you the latest in mobile technology. Enjoy exploring the future with Nokia G20.